Hi, this is Mr. Manley. This is just a quick little video on average rate of change, which is really just another way of saying slope. Here I have a table of values, and I'm being asked for the average rate of change for 0 minutes to 10 minutes. So there's the 0 minutes and 10 minutes, and then each of those has some output. So the average rate of change here is simply going to be change in y. So the average is going to be change in y. Let's represent that as delta y. And then over change in x, which is exactly what we would do if we were finding the slope. So I'm going to go 205.6 minus 226.6. and over 10 minus 0. And that's going to be a calculator key in to do the, I actually probably could get by without a calculator, couldn't I? 205.6 minus 221.6, so I think that's going to be negative 21.6 divided by 10, and then that's going to move the decimal over 1 with the division by 10, right? So that'll be negative 2.16. I didn't say anything about how many significant digits we should have or what we should round off to. It doesn't. So that's what I'm going to go with, that the average rate of change is 2.16. And we can see they give us the units here. That's in degrees Celsius per minute. But if that wasn't given, I would write that. I would say degrees Celsius per minute. So that's one average rate of change. And then there's another one here, just that was part A, and then part B. It's just giving us two different numbers, 30 and 70. So the average rate of change from 30 to 70, and that's going to be 61.6 minus 157.6 over 70 minus 30. And I'll grab a calculator and do that calculation. And I get negative 2.4 degrees Celsius per minute. So pretty simple, but there's a table there and some words and maybe some language, average rate of change that you're not used to. If we just asked for the slope between the 2 points, maybe that would have been more straightforward for you, but as it is, not anything too difficult, and should be able to do those problems quite easily.